do I get alimony or do I have to pay alimony? Alimony, the basic idea of it is to provide a spouse with support when there is a imbalance of income. Typically the way courts do it is that a spouse will get a portion of the income is combined, and one spouse gets 60% of the income, the other spouse is like 40% of the income, and if that other spouse who isn't getting 40% of the income gets a little more from the other spouse, making more to make up that difference. So if you go to trial and if you ask the judge how to do it, that's typically what they're going to do. But I guess where we like to come in is, what do you do if you don't like that idea? Because there are inherent dangers that come with what the court's going to do.
I think just on the 60-40 split, it's interesting because you say like that's what the judge is going to do, and it's just like, especially with Ohio, and if we're talking about the Columbus area and Franklin County, Delaware County, Union County, Licking County, all the surrounding counties, it's different every 10 miles you go. You can get a completely different alimony award.
And when we're talking about bigger alimony awards, you're looking at percentages, and a longer length of marriage might mean a 45% of the marital income versus the 40% of the marital income, and also length of the spousal support award, whether you're looking at a couple years or 10 years or permanent spousal support.
But permanent isn't really permanent.
Mm-hmm.
And again, just to, with permanent support, so like Katie was talking about, the amount is important, the term is important, and those things can be modifiable or not.
Yes.
And for a lot of people, finality is important. I'm getting divorced. I don't want to have to see this person again. I don't want to deal with it again. I don't want to have to rely on him after this date. And if you get a support award that is for a term of years, permanent, we're talking about 12 years, 20 years, whatever it might be, probably not 20. By the time you get into permanent, you're of an age where probably 12 years to retirement, 15 years to retirement.
Yeah, and this is, I guess, another example of like us just providing options. Like, one, you could go the traditional spousal support route where you look at how many years you're married. The math is typically generally 1 year spousal for every 3 years of marriage. So you kind of do that math and divide up the income, and that's one route. Or you could do the lump sum route where they say, pretend like, over 10 years you're going to be paid $100,000 of spousal. You take 10% off that, and then it's over.
So crazy.
Those are options.